Alright, what is up, guys? I'm not sure if my intro recorded, but I'm just gonna do another one just because I was having issues with this new setup. So all that I'm doing today on the car is replacing my boost controller, and we're lowering the car a little bit more. So yeah, those are the two things that we're doing today. And I'll show you guys how I'm going to be lowering the car. Some of you may yell, scream, and cry, but I'm gonna do it, see what it likes, see what the ride quality is like, and experiment just a wee bit on it. But anyways, jump into the boost controller and lower the car and see how it works. All right, guys, so we have the boost controller swapped out, and it's not all the way back in. I don't know if you can see it down there, but all the way down there. Boost controller is swapped, so we're good on that. I don't know tests I can run with it or anything, but for the most part it's swapped. We're gonna do some testing tomorrow with it, but I think that would be the issue, and only because I was making wastegate pressure exactly like to a T. It was wastegate pressure. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into dropping this car a little bit more low. So I'm going to take that spring, but we should be able to drop it right around here. I think it'll tut perfectly, but I might need to take the fender liner out because I'm already rubbing quite a bit, so it's okay. We're just gonna take that out. It should drop just a tad bit more, but yeah, we're gonna try it on just one side first and just to see what happens. So I'm gonna jack the one side up, clear the roof of the car up, and we should be good. Oh, there it is. All right, bolt is out. So we have this right here. What we're gonna do is the spring sits on this locking collar right here. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna remove this locking collar right here. So we're essentially removing this right here, and we're taking about that much off. All right. I mean, like I said, we took off this, which is pretty common to do, but it didn't look like it did a whole fucking lot. Yeah. So maybe it's got to settle some, but for the most part, it's still in the same spot. Maybe it's got to settle a bit. I don't know. But now the front needs to be lowered. So now the front is a little high. Just a little bit. Wow. Can we take time to look at those brakes? Those things are so beautiful. Sharpie. One. Yeah, I'll do 2 rotations. All right, that is it lowered. I didn't get a huge before and after, but it looks a lot lower and even. So we're gonna have to let it settle, and I gotta do the other side. So yeah. Alrighty. So the car is pretty much as low as it can go on these coilovers. So to give a little bit of a summary of what I'm rocking suspension wise, I got adjustable front and rear on the car. And I switched out my BC coilovers. I know this is about to be very sinful of what I'm about to say, for my old Racelands. With all their springs and everything. I still have the BC shocks in the rear, but yeah. And we took out these top hats here. So this is what we took out of the rear, and we lowered the front. So that's kind of what we're working with here on the back, and it is tucked up. Haven't driven it yet. I don't know how it's gonna drive, but yeah, can't really see over here. It's super dark, but yeah, we are low. We are low. And I think this is the lowest that I would want to go. And again, I don't know how bad it's going to be driving around, but I know that I love this fitment. This is perfect. So I'll make it work one way or another. All right. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching, staying tuned, especially through just something simple like this. We have other things coming in the mail. Some of them I already got. One of them is a delete camshaft thing, delete right here. So finally we get rid of this that has burned up 3 times on us now so far. So we get to get rid of this whole system right here, and we're going to be putting in a new tap to run vacuum off of. So that's going to be pretty sick. What else do we have coming in? We have front spats for the car. Those are coming in, and we have new headlight video coming out. So let me know what headlights you think I got. What are we doing with our headlights? Let me know. But that'll be the next one. But until then, it's freezing. It's 5 degrees. I'm out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.